In this video I'm going to discuss easy 5 ways on how to promote products and make money online with affiliate marketing for beginners. Anybody is welcome to watch this video as I have a few bonuses at the end. Now, what is affiliate marketing? To understand what affiliate marketing is, let's look at the definition first. The best definition I could find for affiliate marketing is it is the method of making commission through the process of promoting other people's or company's products and receive a commission for the sale after the sale. A good example is an estate agent. He sells a house which does not belong to him, and after the sale he receives a commission for that sale. Affiliate marketing is exactly the same. You find an affiliate program such as ClickBank, for example. You choose a niche and then see what products is for sale in that niche. You request an affiliate link from the vendor. You insert this link in your promotions. When somebody clicks on that link and buy, you receive a commission. Now here is 5 ways on how to promote your product online. There are a ton of ways that you can promote your affiliate products. There are free ways to do it, which is called organic traffic, or paid ways to do it, which is called paid traffic. For a beginner on a low budget, organic traffic is the way to go. After you are more experienced and when you know what you are doing, then you can start doing paid traffic. Paid traffic is adverts that you are paying for and it drives customers to your offers. The first way, after you selected your niche and you have your affiliate links, is to create a website or at least a landing page, which is much more popular these days. With a website you need to register a name for your site, and after you have registered a name you need to get a company to host your site on the internet. Bluehost is one such company with a very reasonable price tag and after sales support. I have a link in the description of this video if you are interested. Groove is another platform which is an all-in-one type platform. A bit more expensive, but if you consider what it can do, you save a lot of money. The link is also in the description. The second way is to create a website. For a website you will need to do content creation and you insert your affiliate links in the script of the content. You may also consider guest blogging if you do not want a website. Guest blogging is when you write an article and post the content on other people's blogs and you insert your affiliate links into that content. It is not all blog owners that will allow this, so you need to make sure that it is allowed. The third way, many affiliates like to do what they call social media marketing. Again, there are ways to do it without cost and there are also paid ways to do it. Paid ways are to place an ad on social media and let it run to find customers. A slower way but cheap way is to place articles of value on social media and attract customers that way to your offer. It is thus very important to know who your clients are going to be and where they hang out. The fourth way is Quora. This is a question and answer website. You answer people's questions on the site and give them information. Every now and then you insert your link into the answer to drive clients to your offer. Just be careful, people do not like affiliate links and you have to cloak your link so that it does not look like an affiliate link. The same goes for social media marketing. The fifth way is YouTube marketing. It is another unexploited way of putting your offer in front of would-be customers. You create videos and post it on YouTube and optimize the video and your channel. In the description of this video is a link to a free course to show you exactly how this is done. And you rank on YouTube and Google on the first page within 24 hours. Now this is very, very important. When somebody watches your video and click on your links and buy the product, you earn a commission. Many people are scared to show their face on camera. Don't be. It is not necessary to show your face. With today's technology, you do not even have to talk on camera. There are many video creation software out there that you can use to make a professional looking video in minutes. One of this video creation software is Canva. It has a free and a paid version. Canva is a very, very powerful software and you can design almost anything. There you have it. 5 ways that you can use to promote your offer, any offer. There are many more of course, but this is a start for anybody that is new in this game. Now, just for watching this video to the end, you can download a free book. I named it The Affiliate Marketer's Toolkit. Inside you will find many programs such as autoresponders and other online tools that the affiliate marketer will need through his journey online. Some are essential, some are nice to have, some are free, and some you will have to pay for. Would you like to learn how to do affiliate marketing? You can learn from an expert who is earning a lot of money online. He is a graduated engineer who left his 9-to-5 job to do affiliate marketing. Also in the description is a link to his free 3-day course or challenge that will teach you how to do affiliate marketing the correct way. He will teach you how to build a business online and much more. Now, if you enroll in this free course, I will throw in another course to the value of $997 for free. This course comes with free weekly training by the developer of the course. This alone is priceless. Now please like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell just to say thank you for all the ebooks and the free courses I gave you in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.